With the new year comes new laws taking effect. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs explains two of the big ones, as well as what advocates are looking forward to in 2021.
From a minimum wage increase to a local plastic bag ban, some big changes are impacting small businesses and workers, and advocates plan to fight for more protections in 2021.
We've just seen that there are so many low-wage frontline employees that are just struggling through this time.
In a time where finances are strained for so many, relief is coming for low-wage workers.
You have increased cost of maybe having to purchase PPE during this time. You may have had to, also pay for a hotel if you had to quarantine. There's also increased costs with childcare.
Effective tomorrow, the state's minimum wage increases 60 to 75 cents, depending on the size of the employer. It's part of legislation to incrementally increase the minimum wage to $15 by 2025.
With, just the effects of being in the midst of the pandemic, I think this increase is probably more important than ever before.
With the new year comes other changes, too. In Baltimore City, single-use plastic bags will be banned at point of sale, pickup, or delivery.
This is a huge win for our planet, for our health, for our communities.
It's part of the Comprehensive Bag Reduction Act. Baltimore businesses must charge 5 cents for each alternative bag distributed at checkout. The director of Environment Maryland, Kate Bremen, says while it's a great first step, in 2021, they're looking for a statewide bag ban, as well as limiting other single-use plastics.
Hotel toiletry bottles, straws, utensils, condiment packets, like you mentioned earlier, with everything being takeout, how many plastic forks do you have in your house right now that you do not need? So there's some great bills on that to just say, you gotta ask for it.
And Ricara Jones has her sights set on improving the working conditions for the healthcare workers she represents, including hazard pay as part of the Maryland Essential Workers Protection Act.
But the thing that we've heard the most is that there's just a lack of basic health and safety provisions and protections out there for workers who are risking their lives every day.
The plastic bag ban goes into effect January 13th. In Baltimore, Abby Isaacs, WMAR 2 News.